Friends, today we are going to discuss some problem based on principle of mathematical induction. So first problem is sum the series. We have to prove that this result is true for all natural numbers, and the result is 1 plus 3 square up to so on 3 raised to the power n minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power n minus 1 whole upon 2. So first of all, let us check the result for n is equal to 1. So left hand side is 1 and right hand side is the expression. I am putting n is equal to 1 here. So we can see it is 3 minus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2 or 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So result is true for n is equal to 1. Remember, we have to write check, neither assume nor prove. We are checking by putting n is equal to 1. Now let us assume that P of k. What is P of k? Sometimes we write this statement as P of n. So that means we are assuming this for P of k for n is equal to k. So we write this as P of k. So let us assume that result is true for P of k. That means instead of n we have to write k everywhere. So this becomes equation number 1. Now we will prove, remember this word, prove the result for n is equal to k plus 1 if it is true for n is equal to k. We have to write this line. If it is true for n is equal to k, then we are going to prove this for n is equal to k plus 1. So let us write the result which we are going to prove. So 1 plus 3 square up to so on plus, always write the kth term. I told you in the last class. So 3 raised to the power k minus 1, then next 3 raised to the power k. Here sometimes students get confused. They say there should be 3 raised to the power k plus 1, but no, there is no k plus 1. Why? Because see, the last term is having n minus 1. So obviously kth term is 3 raised to the power k minus 1. So k plus 1th term is 3 raised to the power k. It doesn't mean that when we are having k plus 1th term, so it must be carrying k plus 1 value. No, it is according to the last term. So in the right hand side we are putting n as k plus 1. So here the value for n is equal to k plus 1. So this we have to prove. So let us start from the left hand side, write the left hand side again. So up to k we are having value. So from equation number 1 I am putting this value in left hand side. Now let us take the LCM. So I am taking LCM. Don't multiply this 2 with 3 and write like 6 raised to the power k. This is wrong. So bases, when power is not same, so we can't multiply base, so it will be written like this. That now take the LCM, take the common factor from first and third term. Minus 1 will be written as it is, like here. So I am taking 3 raised to the power k common. So inside the bracket it is 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now law of exponent will be applied. So 3 raised to the power k plus 1 and result is proved. In the last we also, it should be mentioned that result is true for all natural numbers. Next question is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube up to so on n into 3 raised to the power n is equal to 2n minus 1 whole multiplied with 3 raised to the power n plus 1 plus 3 whole upon 4. Now for n is equal to 1, left hand side is 1 into 3, which is 3. And in the right hand side I am putting n is equal to 1 here, so it reduces to 3 again. So LHS is equal to RHS and the result is true. Now again let us suppose P of k is true. That means instead of n we are putting everywhere k, so that the statement becomes like this. Now very important and very careful step, P of k plus 1. So write the first term, second term, kth term and then k plus 1th term, and carefully write k plus 1 in the right hand side. Replace n with k plus 1 and put the bracket here. Without bracket obviously you are going to commit a mistake. So put bracket here, open the bracket, simplify the right hand side little bit. So we have to prove left hand side is equal to this right hand side. Now start with left hand side, write the left hand side again. and as it is very obvious up to k we can put the value from equation number 1, that is this one. This value we can substitute. So now we will put this value here so that this term will be written as it is here. Now you can see, carefully take the LCM. So 4 will be multiplied to this. Now again take 3 to the power k plus 1 common from these two terms. When it will be taken, write 3 in the last like here, and take 3 to the power k plus 1 common. So it is 2k minus 1, 4k plus 4, which will be adding up and it becomes 6k plus 3. Take 3 common from this bracket, base same and terms are multiplied, so power will be added. So finally it is 3 to the power k plus 2 into 2k plus 1 plus 3 whole upon 4, which is equals to right hand side. So that's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.